Steve is heading to Hunter Valley Motorsports in Cessnock to pick up this year's giveaway bike, a KTM 890 Adventure R. This bike is taken straight from the crate for final assembly and test, and Steve's there to watch it all unfold.
Here we are, Hunter Valley Motorsports, motorcycles, and we are here to pick up the Adventure Moto 890 KTM. We are giving away this year. I mean, it's already May and I haven't ridden it yet, so I've only got June, July, August, September, October before I have to give my bike to someone, one of our customers. You might be the lucky winner. In this box, look, Adventure R. Now, can't see it. We're going to unveil it here. We're going to put it together, put it on the trailer, take it home, put all the bits on it that we want, the seat, the crash protection from Outback Mototech, the suspension from Technic. Thanks, Nick from Technic. You're always there, mate, when we want to tune our bikes in. Unreal. I'm so looking forward. Really big thanks to Chris Watson and these guys here for helping us get this bike through KTM to give it away. I've got to buy it, I've got to pay for it, and then I'm going to give it away. That's how it works. Fantastic. Hey, just two things. We're unveiling the 890, but have a look at how much care is taken before the bike is PD'd. Now, there's foam protecting the shock. There's plastic covers on the cases so nothing gets scratched. The handlebars, there's this wooden dowel in here. There's a plastic cover over the screen. Again, this is all wrapped in bubble wrap before we unwrapped it, and this will go in there straight away. This is all done. There's a plastic cover over the seat. So yeah, look, I'm really impressed with how the bike is delivered or pre-delivered, and then these guys just unwrap it and put it together. How long does it take normally, to put a bike together?
This will be 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Chris and I'll go and grab a burger from McDonald's, and we'll be back in 30 minutes and the bike will be ready to ride out the door.
A little bit at a time. That's the power plug. They come out. The battery's already hooked up. It should be charged. It should be ready to go. I just put the plug in.
This is starter relay. Right. Yeah.
Put the cover back on. And we should.
Ready to race.
How's that?
Starts just like a brand new one. Well, here it is. The last KTM I owned was a KTM 530. Now I was tempted with the 790, but I'm taking back with the 890. I didn't get the rally because I wanted to put all the love that I can put it onto the bike, into the bike, and see how I can make something better than what comes stock. Because the rally is $10,000 more than the Adventure R. I believe for a few $1,000s of extras, we can make this bike sing and look as good and ride as well as its big brother. But look at it, brand new bike. They took about 30-40 minutes to put it together and have it out of the box and ready for us to load onto the back of the truck. Thanks to these guys here. Chris Watson, you're a hero, mate. You're fantastic. And the crew there, Mel and the gang. So, hey, let's get it home. Fantastic. Hey there, it's Steve from, it's Randy from RevMoto.com. Are you okay? Did I get that right?